So take a step in the breather. It'll be okay. You can rest your head on my shoulder. There's nothing left to say. Are you holding up for me to stay the night when it's all too rough? I hope you realize